Hello, today we are going to be looking at the Elementary Arithmetic mode in Address Tag Library in EasyBuilder Pro. With Elementary Arithmetic mode in Address Tag Library that is available on CMT, CMTX Series HMI, read-write conversions can be done without having to use macro subroutines. All you need to do is entering the needed conversion formula in the read-write conversion field, in which a syntax is displayed. In the syntax, the dollar symbol followed by the brackets with the V inside represents device value, and the calculator uses standard mathematical operator notations. This feature simplifies conversion, thus reduces the amount of time spent on project design. This tutorial video includes 3 topics. 1. How to create address tags in Elementary Arithmetic mode. 2. How to use these tags in objects. 3. Running simulation. Today, I will show you how to use the Elementary Arithmetic function in Address Tag Library to create a temperature converter. Here I create a new CMTX project. Click Project, Address, on the toolbar to open Address Tag Library dialog box. Now let's create the first tag to convert between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Select Word as the address type and set 32-bit float as the data format. You can enable conversion settings only after specifying the data format. The conversion result should remain in 32-bit float format, so let's also select 32-bit float here. Select Elementary Arithmetic mode, which is our topic today. Now put the Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion formula in read conversion. The formula is multiply by 9, divide by 5, and add 32. Here, we are using the $open curly V close curly symbol as the input value. On the other side, let's put the Fahrenheit to Celsius conversion formula in write conversion. The formula is subtract 32 from the input value, and then multiply by 5 and divide by 9. Now the tag for conversion between Celsius and Fahrenheit is ready. Let's create another tag to convert between Celsius and Kelvin. The settings are similar to the previous tag. All you need to do is to add 273.15 to Celsius degree. It will be converted to Kelvin. To convert Kelvin to Celsius, simply subtract 273.15. Okay, these are 2 temperature conversion tags. Now let's create the first numeric object for entering degree Celsius. Increase the object size. Change the data format to 32-bit float. And change the right of decimal point to 2. Copy and paste to create another 2 objects. Select the Celsius to Fahrenheit tag for the second numeric object. Select the Celsius to Kelvin tag for the third numeric object. Let's label them with text objects. The first one is Celsius. Increase the font size. The second one is Fahrenheit. And the last one is Kelvin. Now it's almost done. Let's test this temperature converter. You can see that 0 degree Celsius is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit and 273.15 degree Kelvin at the beginning. Enter 0 in Fahrenheit. Now you can see it is converted to minus 17.78 degrees Celsius and 255.37 degree Kelvin. Similarly, the value entered in Kelvin is converted to Celsius and Fahrenheit. Let's enter a value in Celsius. It works just fine. This is the Elementary Arithmetic demo today. Thank you for watching.